Hello, I'm Mina, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll practice English through conversations. Play it repeatedly while doing other tasks to improve your speaking and listening skills. Let's start. Welcoming a new team member and discussing team events.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thank you. How about yourself?
I'm pretty good. Thanks for asking. Did you have a nice weekend?
Yes, I did. I spent some quality time with my family. How about you?
That sounds lovely. I had a relaxing weekend too, caught up on some reading.
That's great to hear. By the way, have you met our new colleague, Sarah?
No, I haven't had the pleasure. Hi, Sarah. It's nice to meet you.
Hello, nice to meet you both as well. I'm excited to be part of the team.
We're thrilled to have you, Sarah. How's your first week going?
It's been a bit overwhelming, but everyone has been so welcoming.
That's good to hear. If you ever need help, don't hesitate to ask.
Absolutely. We're a friendly bunch here. Speaking of which, have you met John, our team lad?
I haven't had the chance yet. Hello, John. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure's mine, Sarah. Welcome aboard. If you need anything, my door's always open.
John's a great leader, very approachable.
So true, by the way. Have you heard about the upcoming company picnic?
I have. I'm looking forward to it. It sounds like a lot of fun.
Oh, they're always a blast. Games, food, and bonding with colleagues.
And it's a great way to meet everyone outside of the office. John, are you going?
Of course, wouldn't miss it. I'll even participate in the tug-of-war competition.
That's dedication, John. I'm in for the sack race, personally.
Well, I'm all about the food and socializing. Can't wait for the picnic.
Friendly chat and contact sharing.
Good evening, Mary. How has your day been?
Hi, John. It's been a busy day, but I managed. How about you?
I had a productive day at work. Thanks for asking. By the way, here's my phone number. 02945678813.
That's great to hear, John. Here's mine, 98765432210. Let's exchange emails too. Mine is mary@mail.com.
Sure, I'd like that. My email is jonathan@mail.com. We can stay in touch more easily now.
Excellent, John. I'll drop you an email soon.
Great, Mary. I'll keep an eye on my inbox. By the way, how's your family doing? Is everyone in good health?
Thanks for asking, John. Yes, everyone is doing well, and they say hello. How about your family?
I'm glad to hear that. My family is also doing fine, thanks. My wife and kids send their regards.
That's wonderful to hear, John. It's essential to cherish these moments with our loved ones. By the way, have you made any exciting plans for the weekend?
Indeed, it is. This weekend, we're thinking about going for a hike in the nearby nature reserve. How about you?
Sounds like a lovely plan, John. We might have a family picnic by the lake if the weather holds up.
That sounds delightful, Mary. Maybe we could share some tips for a successful picnic sometime. Well, it's been a pleasure catching up with you. Let's stay in touch.
Absolutely, John. Enjoy your hike, and we'll chat soon. Take care.
Where are you from?
Hi, nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Nice to meet you too. I'm originally from Tokyo, Japan. What about you?
I'm from New York City in the United States. It's a bustling metropolis.
Oh, New York City. I've always wanted to visit. What's it like there?
Well, it's a diverse and vibrant city with people from all over the world. We speak English there. How about Tokyo?
Tokyo is a fantastic city too. I'm Japanese, so my first language is Japanese. Tokyo is a mix of modern skyscrapers and traditional culture.
That sounds amazing. By the way, how old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
Not at all. I'm 28 years old. What about you?
I'm 32. So, we're both in our late 20s, early 30s.
That's a good age. Do you enjoy living in New York City?
Yes, I do. There's always something happening, and the food is fantastic. How about Tokyo? Do you like living there?
I do. Tokyo has a unique charm. The technology and culture blend seamlessly. I'm proud to call it home.
It sounds fascinating. We're from such different parts of the world, yet here we are having this conversation.
That's the beauty of our globalized world. We can connect with people from all corners of the earth.
Absolutely. It's amazing how technology has brought us all closer together. Have you traveled to other countries besides Japan and the United States?
Yes, I've been fortunate to visit a few other countries in Asia, like South Korea and China. The cultural differences are intriguing.
I've traveled within the United States and to a few countries in Europe, like France and Italy. Each place has its own unique charm.
That's true. Exploring new cultures and traditions can be an eye-opening experience. Do you speak any other languages besides English?
I can manage some basic Spanish, but English is my primary language. How about you?
Apart from Japanese, I've picked up some English, but I'm not completely fluent. It's quite useful, though.
It's great that you're multilingual. Learning a new language can be challenging, but it opens up new doors.
Indeed, it does. And it's never too late to start learning. By the way, what do you do for a living in New York?
I work in marketing. How about you? What's your profession in Tokyo?
I'm a software engineer. It's a demanding field, but I enjoy the challenges. It's interesting to see how technology connects us globally.
Absolutely, technology has transformed the way we live and work. It's fascinating how our lives are shaped by the cities and countries we come from.
What are you doing?
Hey, what time is it?
It's 3:30 p.m. What's up?
Thanks. I was just wondering because I have a meeting at 4. What are you up to right now?
I'm actually working on a report for work. It's due by the end of the day, so I'm trying to wrap it up. How about you? What's your meeting about?
It's a project update meeting. We're discussing the progress of our latest project and planning the next steps. I need to finish preparing a presentation for it.
Sounds busy. How much more do you need to do for your presentation?
I have a few slides left to create and some data to gather. I should be done in about an hour. Then, I'll need some time to rehearse.
Well, good luck with that. After I finish this report, I'll be heading to the gym for a workout.
That sounds like a great way to unwind. What kind of workout are you planning?
I'm going to do a mix of cardio and strength training. I've been trying to stay consistent with my fitness routine lately.
That's impressive. I've been meaning to get back into working out regularly, but it's been tough with my busy schedule.
I understand. It can be challenging, but finding a routine that works for you is key. How about you? Do you have any favorite activities you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and cooking when I can. It's a great way for me to relax and unwind.
Reading and cooking are fantastic hobbies. What's the last book you read, and have you tried any new recipes recently?
I just finished The Great Gatsby, and it was amazing. As for cooking, I tried making a Thai curry last week, and it turned out delicious.
The Great Gatsby is a classic. And Thai curry sounds yummy. I'll have to ask you for the recipe sometime.
Absolutely. I'll be happy to share it with you. How about you? Any new hobbies or activities you're interested in trying?
I've been thinking about taking up photography. I've always been fascinated by it, and I think it could be a great way to capture memories.
That's a wonderful idea. Photography can be a fulfilling and creative hobby. Plus, it's a great way to document your life and experiences.
Thanks. I'm excited to give it a try. Anyway, I should get back to work on this report. Let me know if you need help with your presentation or if you want to discuss your project before the meeting.
Will do, thanks. And have a great workout at the gym. Enjoy your day.
You too. Good luck with your meeting and presentation. Have a productive day.
Thanks, I'll need all the luck I can get. Catch you later and take care.
You're welcome, and I appreciate that. Take care too, and we'll chat soon.